हेलो फ्रेंड्स एंड वेलकम टू आवर चैनल। आज के वीडियो में हम रिव्यू करने वाले हैं 2 होटल्स का जो लोकेटेड है लोनावला मार्केट एरिया में। विदाउट वेस्टिंग आवर टाइम लेट्स स्टार्ट विद आवर रिव्यू। जो हमारा पहला होटल है दैट इज होटल चंद्रलोक विच इज लोकेटेड एग्जैक्ट ऑपोजिट ऑफ लोनावला बस स्टैंड। ये होटल ज़्यादातर प्रेफर किया जाता है बाय फैमिलीज विजिटिंग लोनावला। नाउ जैसे ही हमने एंटर किया इन दी होटल फॉर चेक इन, वी वर टायर्ड बाय ट्रैवलिंग एंड दिस वाज नोटिस्ड बाय देयर होटल स्टाफ, सो दे बॉट अस छाछ टू मेक अस चिल एंड बाय दैट टाइम चेक इन प्रोसेस वाज कंप्लीटेड। हमने बुक किया था एग्जीक्यूटिव रूम विथ फ्री ब्रेकफास्ट विच कॉस्टेड अस फॉर जस्ट 1400 rupees फॉर अ डे इंक्लूडिंग टैक्सेस। कीपिंग इन माइंड इट वॉज बुक्ड फॉर वीकडेज। द प्राइस में वेरी इफ यू बुक इट फॉर द वीकेंड। जैसे ही रूम में एंटर किया, द रूम वॉज स्पेशियस विथ क्लीन बाथरूम। A garden facing balcony with sitting space. Usually I like more of non-veg food, but here you will only get veg food. However, the veg food they prepare here is one of the best you will get in Lonavala, and this was one of the reason we preferred this hotel. And their complimentary buffet breakfast was also a treat. Even most of the people having their marriages in Lonavala prefer this hotel as one of the reason on basis of their tasty food they serve. We ordered a thali which could easily suffice 2 people. Overall helpful staff, clean spacious rooms, good food and convenient location makes this hotel one of the best in Lonavala. Now coming to a second hotel which is located in Lonavala market. It is Lonavala Hotel, which is one of the budget friendly, decent rated hotel. Now let's find out how this hotel will be based on its rating. Location is a big plus point considering it is located in middle of the Lonavala market. We can travel without any vehicle to nearby places. The hotel staff is helpful and polite. We booked a super deluxe non-AC room which costed us 2,700 rupees for a day including taxes, considering we booked it for the weekend, and in rainy season prices are always higher in Lonavala. The rooms are not that spacious and even not maintained properly. One plus point, they had mini fridge and bathroom was clean. However, the room was not cleaned properly. Bed corners had gaps and in which there was lot of dust. Overall, we will not recommend this hotel, keeping in mind the hygiene is not that good. So you can avoid this hotel and prefer something else which could be a good option in the same budget. I hope you liked this short and simple review of hotels located in Lonavala. We will bring more such content in future. Please subscribe and press the bell icon for future videos. Do like and provide your suggestions in comments. Take care of yourself and stay safe.